I'm going to reuse the screws that came out. They are self-tapping, so the drill bit is slightly smaller. It will help it attach better without breakage. So let's get started. Time to grind. Remember, don't force the drill. Let the drill bit do the job. Just like that. Make sure they're nice and tight. If these are new, they will shrink. A little tip to help keep them lined up with the piece you're screwing into, just use a square. Just go along there. Use that as your guide.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call